The
is
future.
changing. For many of us, our risk tolerance is going to change not just a little bit, but a fair amount. The pain of loss is quite a bit bigger now that I'm retired than for most people. I think it's a similar situation. Okay, the next thing, and all of these start with the letter R, so I hope you appreciate that. It'll help you remember things. The next thing that changes is the retirement accounts that we have access to. We're no longer working. We probably can no longer put new money into our 401k. And depending on how old you are, if you're at or soon going to be on Medicare, the ability to fund a health savings account vanishes because Medicare is not a high deductible healthcare plan. So we need a high deductible healthcare plan to use an HSA. Okay, let's keep going. The next one is revenue. We no longer have revenue coming in, and that can feel scary. Now, if you have a pension, you likely do have revenue coming in, right? You still have that monthly check coming in, and that's a very valuable thing. You know, in fact, if somebody gave me a choice, hey, so you could have a pension, or you could have the equivalent dollar amount of that pension, whatever that equal part is, I would still want the pension, because one of the secrets I know as a financial advisor is people that have checks coming in every month.
Architecture and interior design?